It's your boy Crypto Million back with another one, and I got my Twitter back popping. Make sure that you go follow me on Twitter, chat. We're going to be talking about why the market is so rough today. It is Freaky Friday, fast running, independent day, and aggressive yuppie day. All right, go follow the Instagram. I got my blue check, baby, blockchain Millie, guys. We're going to be talking about what's going on in the market. If you like videos like this, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Consider leaving a comment. It really, really helps the algorithms. Let's get 100 likes on this, all right? So, and what's been going on in the market, right? Unemployment rate of 4.3%. The expectations was 4.1%. Something is breaking, guys. So this is not good for people that's looking for jobs. I want to make that clear. But in the way of the market, as I would say, this is a step in the right direction when thinking about Fed cuts, money printer, but the flip side, recession, right? And I want to make it clear, guys, okay? Whenever you see recessionary pressure, that doesn't necessarily mean price goes up. The Fed actually has to break something first. We have to see maybe a bank collapse, right? People starting to lose their jobs at a high rate, right? Things like that. The debt is skyrocketing, right? So the U.S. national debt is at 35 trillion, and what's the biggest way to fit that? Making the BTC a reserve currency for the U.S. dollar. So since January 2020, the debt has been ballooned by 50% from 23 trillion to 35 trillion. You wonder why people ain't got no money to buy crypto, right? That was the big thing, right? Why, Millie, why are people not buying crypto? They ain't got no funds, dog. They want to have the funds, but they ain't got it, right? So what we do, we spread knowledge and we try to educate everyone that's new into crypto, or even if you're seasoned vets, where to look at it in the right places. But none of this matters if you ain't got the money. So I always say, go to work, right? This is the time where you want to increase your work ethic, find your niche, put yourself in the position to have first movers advantage, and understand time management, right? Big. If you in crypto, you have to understand time management. All right, guys. So you know what I mean? We could see a potential Fed cut headed here, 71% chance of a Fed cut, 0.25 Fed cut. But now there's a 30% chance of a 0.5 Fed cut, which would be crazy, right? Another thing to keep an eye on is the Japanese yen here, because it's actually getting crushed, right? So a lot of countries now are starting to cut rates, but Japan has increase their rate, right? For the first time in 30 years? What, the first 30 years? It's the first time they increased their rate in 30 years. And you can see that this is getting absolutely obliterated. And Rand here believes that this could really, really hurt the market. Speaking of strength, let's check out the strength of the dollar here. The DXY seems to be falling, but how long, guys? How long will the DXY continue to fall, seeing that it is oversold here on the weekly? So even though we don't have an FOMC meeting this month in August, historically, August has not been a good month for crypto or risk on assets. So a lot of people are hanging it up, going to touch grass, prepared for what's to come in September. I would love to know you guys' opinion on this, right? What are you guys' opinions on this? The real reason why the market's tanked is because we once saw again hundreds of millions in leverage wiped out, 218 million in long positions, 63 in short positions. This is the second largest liquidation event in the past 45 days. But in the midst of that, chat, BlackRock has been increasing their balance sheet. MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor has been increasing their balance sheet. So these guys are still buying up the Bitcoin and crypto in the midst of the market looking like this. And what do you want to do? You want to follow the smart money, right? These are the people that have the big bucks, right? And you know, I know, again, I don't like to get political on the channel. I've been seeing the comments, guys. I understand, but hear me out, right? Another reason that the market has taken a dip is because, you know, I hate to say it, it's really because the market is pricing in that Kamala could also have a chance here at the at the presidential campaign, right? So again, I want to make it clear though, Chad. I don't have a horse in this race, right? This was her latest speech here. She did a Quavo quote, and she also had Megan's the Stallion actually performance here. And again, I just want what's best for the world. I just want what's best for the market, right? And I just want peace across the world. So I do want to make that clear. But the fact that she's not really pro crypto. A lot of people are looking at that like, wow, she may have a chance, and this could be, bad for the cryptocurrency market. So whatever you decide, in as a community or as a group or as an individual, you decide. I'm not here to judge you for that. That's not what I do, right? But I'm just, explaining you how this ties into the crypto news, guys. And I want, that's something you should also keep an eye on, right? But Billy, what do you do in these type of situations? Well, one thing's for sure, right? Yes, we did see the government move Bitcoin, but they haven't sold it, right? And Mt. Gox here is starting to run out of Bitcoin to sell. And Grayscale is coming to the end of their outflow pressure with the Ethereum ETF. So this is all positive, right? So right now, these are the indicators you want to kind of like pay attention to. These are the indicators I personally like to pay attention to when looking to DCA. The first indicator here is the Bitcoin season, right? I like to get my altcoins in Bitcoin season, preferably down here at the lows, right? So you can see that we're at what? We was at 12 yesterday. We're back at 22. Some of the lows in May was like 3, 6. Beautiful time here to buy altcoins here. Also, the fear and greed index is also a great indicator. The sentiment checker, right? You want to get your crypto as close to this line as possible, but it has to be in a bullish market, okay? None of this works if we're in a bear market, right? I'm saying that you post to a DCA in a bullish market, right? Whenever you get an opportunity, you've seen a dip, because historically, Bitcoin, crypto, when in a bullish cycle, we see 20 to 30% dips. We also are still in the greed for the fear and greed index, so this could tick down even further and award us more opportunities going into Q4. I think the theme of this video is just proper preparation, preparing for Q4. It's funny because it's like an echo chamber. I remember saying this last year, right? And then Q4 and Q1 just was amazing, right? We seen the AI and gaming tokens go crazy, and it seems like again we're here again, headed into confusion. It's crazy how fast the year goes when you're in crypto. When you're in crypto, the year goes by fast. I just want to say that. So go touch grass, enjoy your weekend. Pay attention to some of the sentiment checkers, because it gives you a good idea when to add to your bag. And don't stress it, guys. Let this thing come easy to you. Pick your spots in the market. You don't have to ape. You don't have to, put your last in. And you will have an opportunity at generational wealth here. Just play it cool. Just play it cool and let the market come to you. What I picked up, in the time that I've been doing this, is the biggest asset that you can have in your favor is patience. Guys. Let me know what y'all think about the market. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.